China halts all new Boeing jet deliveries amid rising tensions with the US. Chinese airlines were told to avoid US aircraft parts and equipment purchases. The US imposed up to 145% tariffs on Chinese goods, prompting retaliation. China slapped 125% tariffs on US goods, impacting Boeing aircraft costs. Airlines leasing Boeing planes may receive support from China. The trade war has pushed China to buy more planes from Airbus instead of Boeing. Boeing struggles with quality issues and a declining Chinese market share.